What time shall we meet? What time shall we meet? Let's meet at 8 o'clock. Let's meet at 8 o'clock. Where would you like to meet? Where would you like to meet? I'll see you at the cinema at 10 o'clock. I'll see you at the cinema at 10 o'clock. See you there. See you there. Let me know if you can make it. Let me know if you can make it. I'll be there in 10 minutes. I'll be there in 10 minutes. Have you been here long? Have you been here long? Have you been waiting long? Have you been waiting long?
The day before yesterday. The day before yesterday. The day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow.
Could you tell me the time, please? Could you tell me the time, please? Do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is?
The 15th of October. The 15th of October. What's the date today? What's the date today?
It's sunny. It's sunny. What miserable weather. What miserable weather. It's starting to rain. It's starting to rain. What's the temperature? What's the temperature? It's 22 degrees. It's 22 degrees. It's below freezing. It's below freezing. What's the forecast? What's the forecast? It's forecast to rain. It's forecast to rain. It looks like rain. It looks like rain.
Would anyone like a tea or coffee? Would anyone like a tea or coffee? The kettle's boiled. The kettle's boiled. Can you put the light on? Can you put the light on? Is there anything good on TV? Is there anything good on TV? Do you want to watch a film? Do you want to watch a film? Do you want me to put the TV on? Do you want me to put the TV on? What time's the match on? What time's the match on? What's the score? What's the score? Who's playing? Who's playing? Who won? Who won? What would you like for breakfast? What would you like for breakfast? Could you pass the sugar, please? Could you pass the sugar, please? Would you like some more? Would you like some more? Have you had enough to eat? Have you had enough to eat? Would anyone like dessert? Would anyone like dessert? I'm full. I'm full. That was delicious. That was delicious.
Good to see you. Good to see you. You're looking well. You're looking well. Please take your shoes off. Please take your shoes off. Did you have a good journey? Did you have a good journey? Did you find us all right? Did you find us all right? I'll show you your room. I'll show you your room. How do you take it? How do you take it? Do you take sugar? Do you take sugar? Have a seat. Have a seat. Could I use your phone? Could I use your phone? Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. Have a safe journey home. Have a safe journey home.
Where's the ticket office? Where's the ticket office? What time's the next bus to Portsmouth? What time's the next bus to Portsmouth? This bus has been cancelled. This bus has been cancelled. Have you ever been to Italy? Have you ever been to Italy? I've never been, but I'd love to go someday. I've never been, but I'd love to go someday. How long does the journey take? How long does the journey take? What time do we arrive? What time do we arrive? Do you get travel sick? Do you get travel sick? Enjoy your trip. Enjoy your trip. I'd like to travel to Spain. I'd like to travel to Spain. How much are the flights? How much are the flights?
Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the bus station? Excuse me, could you tell me how to get to the bus station? I'm looking for this address. I'm looking for this address. It's this way. It's this way. You're going the wrong way. You're going the wrong way. Take this road. Take this road. Go down there. Go down there. How far is it to the airport? How far is it to the airport? Is it a long way? Is it a long way? It's not far. It's not far. It's quite a long way. It's quite a long way.
Can I park here? Can I park here? Where's the nearest petrol station? Where's the nearest petrol station? Are we nearly there? Are we nearly there? How much would you like? How much would you like?
I'd like to hire a car. I'd like to hire a car. How do you open the? How do you open the?